O, pin na lang. Nabukas na lahat. O, pin na lang hintay mo. 2 weeks yan. Nasa city ka ba? Hello, World Tour, my friend. How are you? Thank you so much for coming my live. I pin you. Thank you so much, World Tour. Happy Sunday. Same to you, World Tour. Where are you now?
Ano?
Where are you in the part of the world? World Tour, where are you in the world? Where are you touring again?
Nakakain mo lang kasi.
World Tour, sana all. Thank you so much, World Tour. Wow! Lahore! Wow! Right now, you're in Lahore? So, you're going to visit all over the world? Have you been here in Philippines, sir? World Tour? Iscardo to the sa Diosay National Park, Sadpara Lake. Wow, this is beautiful life. World Tour, your life is beautiful. You're just touring around the world. That is wow, nice. You're enjoying your life, You know, we have a like this. Ma'am Criselda, that one, we have a like this also. Hey.
Nakakain mo lang kasi naglalaro ka na eh.
Doon sa Ma'am Criselda. Like that, like this place. Long way road. I think this is not safe if there's a rain. It's not safe to ride here. To make here. Because the road like this only. Yeah. So beautiful all you sharing. Thank you. It's like I'm touring around the world also. Ano ba yung narrow road? The road is like this only? Only one way? If there's a strong rain, I think there's erosion. Hukbong Kawal Philippines. Naka-live ka na, sir? Hello. Thank you so much. Naka-live ka na? Thank you so much. Good evening, sir.